year, new hair. What's up?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey y'all, so first of all, this is my first actual hair video that I'm filming in the new year. Everything that you've seen prior to this has been like recorded some time ago, but this is like my first actual video that I'm filming in the new year. So happy new year! Y'all, today I have a sickening install. These gorgeous balayage curly clip-ins. Are you out of your mind? And this is no leave out, because you know how I do. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so first of all, you will not have to look at this lighting for long, but I always like to show you what the hair looks like fresh out the pack. This is what Curls Queen packaging looks like. And as you know, you always only need one bundle with their clip-ins. And as you can see, Miss Mama is thick, but this is what the hair looks like in natural lighting after it has been co-washed and air dried. So the hair I have is 22 inches long. It's the water jerry curly texture. I got balayage dark brown roots with ash brown, ash blonde, and honey blonde. This bundle comes with 4 2 clips, 2 3 clips, 2 4 clips, and 2 5 clips. And I just wanted to show you once again what the curl pattern looks like. She's gorgeous. Hey y'all, so as you can see, I'm so excited, geeked. I cannot wait, but let's get right into it. So this is my braid pattern. Listen, don't judge me. Is these old braids? Yes, they are, but I'm gonna do a middle part. So this is how I have my hair braided. I'm using the 3 clip at the back, and really and truly with a clip-in install, the clip-ins you use depends on like how your head is and all of that stuff, so that's relative. But I will tell you that when I am installing the clip-ins, I always make sure that I kind of scoop a piece of my hair and close the clip so it stays put, is locked in place, it ain't going nowhere. And I always make sure that I kind of clip the clip-ins, like the start of them, at an angle, so that way the hair kind of falls forward a bit and you can't really see too much of the track. You kind of only see hair. And I am, like I told y'all, doing a no leave out install, and for that portion I will be very detailed, because I don't know why I always assume that everybody knows how to do the no leave out method, but not everybody knows how to do it. So when we get to that portion, I will be very detailed. But for now, I'm just gonna literally clip the clip-ins in. And like I said, at the start of the clip, I make sure to clip it at an angle so the hair is falling forward. Usually for me, when I'm doing a no leave out install, I do 4 braids and I kind of clip the clip that's going to be crocheted into the top braid, into the bottom braid. But for this, as you see, I do not have 4 braids. I just have, like I said, my old braids, don't judge me. And it still worked out perfectly fine. So I don't know if you need 4 braids. So now what I'm doing is taking my 2 clippers and clipping them at the bottom of my braid. Again, this is going to be the braid that the hair is going to be crocheted through. So I'm making sure to clip it nice and close, and this is what she looks like. I still had 2 clips left over because I was trying not to overpack the hair so it looks like super crazy and big, like too much hair on my head. I mean, you could really never have too much, but I've been trying to just be better with that. So now the most important part, the no leave out crochet. So what I'm doing is taking my crochet needle and putting it through the top portion of my braid, aka the root of my braid. I'm working on the back part now to make sure that you can't see the tracks at the back of the braid either. Now, I'm pretty sure there are other ways you can crochet the hair through, but this is what works best for me. It's easiest for me. I literally just go through the root of the braid and then pull the hair through. So I'm gonna show you once more in real time, like, well, actually this is slowed down. I'm gonna go through the root. I already have the piece of hair that I'm gonna put on the needle pulled apart, and then I put it on the needle like this, close it, pull it through, and it's that simple. Now this is it in real time, not slowed down or sped up. It's very quick, very easy. Make sure when you are doing the no leave out crochet method that the pieces of hair you're taking to crochet through are not too big, because then it won't look as natural in my opinion. So take kind of like small to medium sized pieces of hair. So to be honest, y'all, because this is such a simple process, this is as detailed as it's gonna get. This is the no leave out method. I'm going to show you only this side on camera. Then I'm going to do the other side off camera. And again, I'm going to say this several times in this video, and pardon me for being repetitive, but I just love the no leave out method down. We're also going to define the top portion of the hair over, but first I want to stretch the hair. So I'm taking a blow dryer and I'm just stretching it. And if you could see like side by side, that's a major difference. It gives it a lot of like, well, not a lot, but extra length, which is what I wanted. So I'm just going to stretch the hair. Then we're going to go in and define it. And for this, you don't really need a talk through because it's just me defining the hair. So let's just vibe out and I will catch you at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the final look, y'all. I showed y'all already, like I cut a little bit of layers into it, not too much, but just to frame the face. I always do that. I feel like that looks best on me. But y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I did not know that Curls Queen had balayage clip-ins. Like they have all textures too, straight, kinky straight, yaki straight. They got different colors of balayage too. And I'm not gonna lie, initially when I saw, because I picked this color, but when it came and the roots were not like a dark brown like a black, I was like, oh, I don't know if this gonna work. She works. Yeah, so you get to choose like which type of balayage you want and which texture you want, which I think is really cool. I definitely wanted something that was curly because I feel like with this I could, if I wanted to, just blow it out and straighten it, whereas with the straight you can't really make it look like this, you know. But I am obsessed with how this looks. It is so pretty. I do feel like a longer length would have been better because if I did show y'all, I went in and stretched it because I wanted just like a little bit more length. I would probably go a couple of inches longer. This is like cute, right? Good length, cute. I would just love like right here. You know what I'm saying? Just like right here. Nonetheless, I am obsessed. And this is perfect for the new year. Like new year, new hair. What's up? When I first started like putting the clips in, I was like, oh yeah, we cooking with something. I have to say, coming off of a sew-in, I love a quick and easy style. Y'all, I want to say it took me 10 minutes to put this in. I'm gonna check and put on the screen the exact time, but this was so quick and I love a quick style down and no leave out. This is no leave out, so I don't have to worry about sweating my hair out when I go to the gym. Like, oh my gosh, I love a quick and simple and easy style, and especially a style with no leave out. And it's like, for clip-ins and doing a no leave out install, you could literally just, okay, say you want to keep this in for a month. Every week, if you wanted to, you could take it out and tend to your scalp and then put it back in with the same braids and it'll still, are you out of your mind? Like, please. And I don't know if I'm just like over the 4 weeks that I just spent in that sew-in and I'm like gassing up the clip-ins and the no leave out installs, but it's a reason why I keep doing these types of styles. I love them. And not only that, I feel like anybody could do this. You could wear basically any texture, not any texture, but most textures you could wear even if they don't match your hair texture. You could wear them because you have no leave out. You could wear most colors, even if your hair is not the color of the hair. Like, please, again, homage and honor and glory to the person who invented the no leave out method. This queen needs all her things. I don't know who she is, but may God continue to bless her. Like, for real. This would be so fire for the summer. Please, you just, please, okay? This hair is so soft. It's so luscious too, despite the fact that I'm sure they colored it to death. It's still so soft and so luscious, and you can see like she got body. She just is gorgina. And every set of clip-ins that I have from them, I still have. I'm just I'm gagged. Like, I'm just actually gagged. And I think it's too because like I've never seen this on myself. So it's like, this is my first time seeing this color on myself. And typically like when I'm trying something new, especially like a new color, I hate it at first. Hate it. But this I love. Now I gotta see how it look without makeup, because that's one thing. Sometimes when you do a style and you got makeup on, when you don't have makeup on, it's like, ooh, who is this hideous beast? But we shall see. I think that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm obsessed. If you are interested in these clip-ins, even if you're not, you need to be. Like, you see how gorgeous they are. You need these in your hair collection. They are gorgina. So if you are interested, there will be a link in the description box for you to check it out. Links to the hair, links to the company, all of that stuff. Once again, thanks so much to Curls Queen for sending me over these clip-ins and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Like, sound off. What is it giving? Affirm me in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. It's 2026. We're not doing that. You don't watch to the end of the video and not be subscribed. And once again, Happy New Year, and I'll catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.